Hey everyone, welcome back to Blue Curtain Creations, where we talk about 3D printing for your everyday life.
And today we're talking about some upgrades we've made to film equipment.
So we do a lot of work with the Okotoks Film Festival, like filming their commercials, and we're always looking for new ways to make things more efficient.
And most recently, we've taken on the project of upgrading our sound equipment.
We can't anticipate last-minute changes to our job description, but we did print some things that'll make it easier to manage. Our first print is by designer Marcus Walshin, and that's for the Zoom H4n audio recorder. It has two microphones built in already, but if you want to hook up an external mic, like a shotgun mic or a boom pole, then you don't really want to be carrying this around with you at the same time. So he created a very useful belt clip that you can attach this onto using a 1/4-inch bolt on the back, stick it on your belt, and away you go. Our next print is a set of microphone mounts that I've customized to work in several different scenarios. The first piece is the mount itself by designer marsCubed. It uses elastic bands to suspend the microphone to keep it from catching any vibration noise. And then I've modified the mount so that I can slide that into several different accessories and then just use a bolt to tighten it. The first accessory is this hand grip by designer Bipedal. All we have to do is slide it in, tighten the bolt, and it's ready to go. The second option, I designed a hot shoe mount. So it just mounts to the top of the camera, slides in, and again, tighten the bolt, and away you go. And for our last mount, I designed just a simple little attachment that goes on the end of my boom pole. And it just, again, slides on, and you're set to go. I designed several little brackets that would hold the audio cable in place and still allow you to extend and retract the pole as needed.
So this one is a tripod head by designer Rukey with some customizations of our own. What it does is it allows us to use our camera's quick release mount and attach it to the tripod and still maintain 3 axes of movement. What we did with it is we replaced the handles on the model with these smaller knobs. They were just quicker and easier to print. And then we added this converter to the bottom as well, which changes the 5mm mount used in the design to the 3/8" mount used on the tripod.
Yeah, maybe not quite yet.
That's still pretty cool though.
Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And if you have any ideas for other prints we could do, go ahead and leave us a message in the comments.